Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. Welcome to Wildix. In this short video, I'd like to give you an overview of the Wildix Collaborations features. Collaboration is the browser-based phone interface of Wildix. You can log into your collaboration from any device with a browser. So whether it's a tablet or your laptop or a desktop computer or even your mobile phone, you'll be able to make and take calls as if you were sitting at your office desk. There are 3 pieces of information you will receive in your Wildix welcome email. You will need all 3 of these items to log into your collaboration. The first is the domain, sometimes called the URL or the website. If you enter the URL into a browser, it will take you to the blue Welcome to Wildix Collaboration login screen. In the login field on this screen, enter your extension number. Then copy and paste your password from your welcome email. Once you've done that, click the Login button and you'll be taken directly into Collaboration. Now I'd like to review briefly the icons across the top of the ribbon on the Collaborations page. We will go into more depth on each of these features in another video. The W on the top left is a direct link to the Wildix webpage. There's lots of information including documentation and video tutorials if you're interested. This next area is a progressive search field. Here you can either search or enter a number. You can also search through your Phonebook contacts just by typing in a person's name or a company name. Choose the specific number from the contact that you want to call and hit the big green call button to call that person. To the right of that is a large green call button. And next to the call button you'll notice there's a device or the word any is shown. This is a drop-down menu from which you can select the device that calls will be executed from. If you have your mobile app open, it will also be included as an option on this drop-down menu. Clicking the white plus button gives you a quick way to send SMS messages from the office's main number. You can send faxes from your desktop or post-it notes to another colleague's collaboration screen. Here is where you would also create a group chat if you want to chat with 3 or more people. The blue conference button is where you can create or join a saved video conference. Similar to the other voice conferencing platforms, you can invite guests using their email address or type in the name for people in your system. You can create reoccurring conferences or start a conference immediately by clicking the check mark, then invite people by sharing the conference link. The colleague button shows all the Wildix users on your system in alphabetical order. The dot next to the user indicates their current status, and any presence message can be read from here. If you hover over a user, you will be given the options to call, chat, plus 3 dots reveal a list of other ways you can quickly communicate with that colleague. The function key button, or FN button, shows the actual buttons programmed on your Wildix desk phone. These buttons are also shown on your mobile app, and here you can have speed dials or other special keys that are included on your FN button page. You can change the order in which buttons appear on this page. The chat icon is for exactly that. Click here to chat with other Wildix colleagues. If you need, you can use the search field to start a new chat by typing in a colleague's name and then hitting the chat icon on the right. Existing chats will remain under the Chat tab anytime you return to it. Once you've started a chat, from here you can also call, video conference, or screen share. At the bottom, you can quickly SMS, pin a post-it note, drag and drop a file to transfer, plus the all-important emojis can be added to a conversation from here as well. The next icon is the Phonebook, where you can again search through your colleagues and contacts in any selected phone book. Then, from the listed contact information, choose how you'd like to contact that person. You can choose to SMS, email, call, or fax the contact. You can also add new contacts to your phone book directly from the call history list. Next to that is the call history icon, where you can see all your calls both inbound and outbound. This is also searchable by caller name, number, call type on the drop-down menu, or even by date. This helps narrow any call list search results. From this call history list, you can click to call someone back, and if you right-click on a call record, you can add that number to your phone book by choosing Add Contact. The next one is the envelope icon, which brings you to a list of all your voice messages. When you click and highlight a specific message, you can mark it as read, delete it, or click the download icon to the right to listen to it on your computer. When you click the download icon, a new tab will open on your browser and the message will automatically begin to play. The last icon is the Gear or Settings page. Under the Gear icon, you will find some other settings that you can change yourself. By choosing from the list on the left side of the page, you will find where you're able to set a new password, change your notification email, set up call forwarding, choose a different ringtone, and even rearrange or add function keys. There's one more section I would like to go over in this video. On the top right of the collaboration page, you will notice a section displaying your status or presence. Normally, you would have a green dot showing you're available. However, you can choose to change your status either from a list of preset options or create a one-time custom status. This is also the section where you might change your profile picture or set your location. You can log out of your collaboration by selecting Log Out from the drop-down menu next to your name and status indicator. This has been a brief overview of the Wildix Collaboration Icons ribbon. We like to refer to Wildix as cell phone simple, so feel free to poke around and play around. There's a good chance you'll be able to figure out what it is you're looking for. Also, feel free to email us or call us with any questions you might have. Thanks for watching.